Alright, so we're going to make gray in this video. What you need is to first make black. That sounds funny, but it's true. You start off with blue, yellow, and red. And before I forget, here we're using acrylic, so you're going to need a little bit of water. You're also, for the gray, you're going to need a little bit of white. If I were you, I'd go to my first video, watch it, see how to make black. I just did it. This is in fact still drying. You don't need to paint yours, but I was because of the other video. If you don't want to watch the other video, basically mix equal parts blue, yellow, and red, the little smidge of water. Alright, so I have my black here in the middle, and we got our white. I'm gonna take my paintbrush, dip it in the water, get a little white, and make gray. How dark or light you want it is gonna depend upon how much white you put. Then if it's a little tough to mix, it's a little too like stiff, just add a little more water. And let's see how this color looks. Let's see. Nice gray over here. I like it. Let's get some on the canvas so you take a look. Beautiful. So this is just like a basic, gray. I'll show you how to do other hues. And then usually if I'm painting the whole thing, you go one direction, which is the one I was going, and then this direction. This usually keeps there from being texture and unnecessary lines, so it doesn't get in the way of your painting. Alright.